Hello everyone, welcome to Lixian Instrument channel. Today we introduce the insection and extraction test machine. So this machine will use for different parts. Like this one, we will do the fatigue testing many times. So later we show you how to start to use this machine and how. When you receive the machine, it will have a computer and a main machine. And here is easy to connect the power and the connection line, connect with the computer and the monitor, and this power and mouse, keyboard, and this one is connected. This one is the internet table. We're connected with the main machine. Here we connect with the machine for communication and connect with the software. So here connect software, and this one is sensor connects here. And this one is customized for this customer. This one is for resistance, for the electric resistance testing, and this one is power. So this power also connector, and here we connect with the plug. So plug is one. And here the computer monitor connects with the power, and then open the computer. Open computer. And this one connects to the power, and here the power will open inside here. And here is another one. Okay. Now machine opened. Now we get a sample from our customer, so we show you how to install the sample. So it's two parts. How to install the plug. You can slowly adjust the grab up and down. To move to suitable location. Okay. So then we fix. You can see here still turn wrong, left, or right. But this one is a universal joint, so when testing, this will be useful. So now, for this product, our customer have a requirement for resistance, so we connect with the sensor. Okay, then simple finish. And normally don't have this one. This one is for customize for our client. Now we open the software and we make a new film. A name. And name you input like Lixian. Okay, this is your test name, and the test load type with choice, compression and tensile, means insection and extraction. Cassette direction is we normally choose the compression forward and the back around. And here the load range, anyway you set. Now for this sample we set to 0.5 and the tissue stock 8 mm. And the stock origination is a start operation. Origin detector is a faster cycle only. Speed is 100 mm every minute. So another we don't need to set. And here we 0 all, and then we need to run machine